Hello students, a very happy and cheerful morning to all my dear students. I hope you all are fine and taking care of your health. So, are you ready for your value education class? See, we were doing chapter number 4, Be Active and Happy. So, you all know the story. Let us see the part 2 of the chapter. See, chapter 4, Be Active and Happy. So, I hope you all remember the part 1 till where we have done that there was a wealthy man named Mohanlal, and he had a son named Suresh, and the father was very attached to his son and he used to fulfill all the wishes of his son. But still the son used to sit with a sad face and not a happy face. So you remember what did the father do? One day a man visited their home. Who was that man? A magician. And the father told the magician to make my son smile. And then what did the magician said, children? The magician said that he took the sun in a corner and wrote something on the plain white paper with a white chalk, and he gave a candle to Suresh and said, light the candle and put it under the paper, then read what it was written on it. So let us see, did the sun smile or not? Let us continue for the story. Suresh did as directed by the magician. As the magician told him to do, to light the candle, Suresh did that. And the magician had written the following words. And what were the words that Suresh read? Oh, what a joker-like face you wear. Be pleasant and give a smile. What was written, children? Oh, what a joker-like face you wear. That means you have a joker-like face. Be pleasant. Pleasant means calm, happy, and give a smile. So, if you read such words suddenly on a paper, you will feel like smiling, right? So, after reading this, on seeing it, Suresh had a hearty laugh. Hearty laugh means, children, when we laugh with all our heart. So, that is our real laugh and not a fake one. So, on seeing it, Suresh had a hearty laugh. He was changed altogether. Suddenly he was changed. He used to be such a sad person and suddenly he changed. After that, he did not have a sad look. After that, he never had a sad look. He hummed some tune. Hummed means like we sing a song softly, softly when we are doing some work, right? Gungunana. So, he hummed some tune while doing his work. That shows that he was happy while doing his work. That is why he was humming a song or a tune. He looked happy and bright all the time. Can you see the change in Suresh? The one who used to be sad even after getting all his dreams fulfilled is now happy and bright all the time. He carried out the wishes of his parents and teachers. He carried out the wishes means he carried out the wishes. He listened to parents and teachers and fulfilled their wishes. Mohanlal is now very happy with his son. Who is Mohanlal? The father. The father is very happy with his son. He was so pleased with the magician that he rewarded him sufficiently and asked him to come and see his son at times. Children, do you remember that Mohanlal had promised the magician that he will give him some he will reward him handsomely if the magician made his son smile. So, magician was successful in making the boy smile. So, what did Mohanlal do? Mohanlal was very happy. Like your parents are happy seeing you happy. So, Mohanlal was happy with his son and he was so pleased. Pleased means खुश था वो magician से, that he rewarded him sufficiently, and sufficiently means enough. He rewarded, he gifted him sufficiently and asked him to come and meet his son. That means the father told the magician that come and meet my son at times. The magician was also happy to receive some valuable gifts. Can you see in the picture the happy faces? So the magician was also happy. Why he was happy? He got gifts, some valuable gifts from Mohanlal, and promised to see him whenever he gets time. And what was the promise made by the magician? That whenever he will get time, he will come and visit their house. So I hope you are clear with the story, and now you have understood the story why we should be happy, because our parents feel happy when we are happy. So children, now in the starting of the chapter you have some learning objectives. So let me see that what can we learn from this chapter, what you have to learn. See, happiness is in small things. It is not necessary that happiness lies in big gifts and big things, but in small things you should learn to find happiness. Like if you have spent time with your family, if you play with your friends for some time, so you should learn to find happiness in small things. Second, be happy and cheerful to make the most of your achievement. Always be happy and cheerful. Don't be demotivating and sad. Why? To achieve your success. That means to make the most of your achievement. Third, look forward and find solutions to small problems. Whenever you are in a problem, you get in tension that ab kya hoga, ye problem kaise solve hoga? No children. Every problem has a solution. So look forward and find solution to your problems. So I hope this chapter is clear for you. We'll meet in the next video lesson. Till then, take care. God bless you. Keep smiling.